Every company has a secret vault. Most of them use a guard named Redis. To keep it fast, Redis is an in memory database. It is built for pure speed because it lives in the system's RAM, not a slow hard drive. But what happens when that speed demon is left standing in the middle of the street with the keys still in the ignition? In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how a single misconfiguration allows a dark shark AI to swim right into the heart of a network.
Let's start to exploit the Redis database. For that, first we are going to see we have to run the machine. Now machine is running. The IP of the machine is 10.129.41.0. Let's go to the terminal. First step is to connect the VPN. So for that, we have to use a command called openvpn and the VPN file. We already tested the machine connectivity by using a ping command. We can see the TTL value is 63, which is below under 120, so it's Linux machine. We ran the scan command and map. By running this command, we will get one port 6397, which will directly announcing that port is open and we can exploit that. Now let's go to the another terminal. Meanwhile, the scan is going to be complete. We are going to install the Redis tool on this machine. So let's install it, Redis tools, and we can see here Redis tool is already installed. Let's see what sort of command we can execute on the Redis terminal by seeing the help. So these are the couple of commands which we can execute on the Redis terminal. H is a host name, port, timeout. We can see the socket, we can see the password by using these commands, username, password, pass, and other commands. This is database number, it's called an index number. We are going to use it later on. So let's go to the Redis terminal. So how we can go by using a command what is the IP address? 129.41.0. So let me see what is the IP address. 10.129.0. Oh yes, we are missing a command called h. So host. Now we are in the Redis terminal. Let's see the basic information of a Redis database. So we can see here the Redis version, what is the server version, what is memory, clients information, timestamp information, uptime we can see. So these are the basics information we can see, CPU replication and all we can see it. The most important thing is key spaces, means how many database index we have. So we can say we have only one index name is 0, and how many keys stored in that index are 4. Let's select this database by using a select command. So we selected our index. Now let's go and check how many keys are present. So we can see here, as it's already showing, there are 4 keys in one index. So these are the keys. Now get the value of the keys. So we can see in the store, this is the value stored, what is inside temp, what is inside num, and finally what is our flag which we want. So this is our flag.
One command, get flagged, and the sensitive data is extracted. The heist is complete. This wasn't a complex hack. It was just an open door. We found out the port 6379. To stop these kind of scenario, we can use a couple of things. We should use a strong authentication password mechanism on the server. We can put our server on the local host, which does not talk to the internet, and use some kind of a firewall which will gonna block the access of 6379 port directly, or we can use an alternative port for the communication. Another way to speed up without any risk, we can use some kind of a managed services like AWS, Elastic Cache, that handle the armor for you.
In the evolving landscape of AI and cybersecurity, speed is a weapon. Don't let it be turned against you. You have seen how quickly a single open door can lead to a total compromise. To make sure your gates stay logged, hit that subscribe button right now. Your support is the engine that keeps Dakshaki AI moving forward. And every single subscription motivates me to bring you deeper insights and tougher challenges. Let's keep this momentum going on. I will see you in the next video with brand new challenge.